All right, I'm back with another tool deals of the day at both Lowe's.com as well as HomeDepot.com. It is today only, which is July 18th, 2026, on a Saturday. So I hope you guys are starting off to a great weekend. Now, I will have two links in the description. That'll be to the Lowe's and Home Depot daily deals page. It'll take you right to these deals. They are affiliate links, and I will make a small commission on any sales. And I do really appreciate that support, and it certainly does help the channel. All right, to get started here, it's going to be on the Lowe's deals. So I wanted to mention these Gladiator deals. These are actually pretty good savings at 30% off for a cabinet, as well as another one it's 40% off. Gladiator stuff is certainly expensive, so anytime you can get a deal on them, it would be a good time to maybe pick some up. And then they also have a wall cabinet that's saving 45%, so only 120 bucks here today, normally priced at 220. Then they do have the Gladiator gear wall, two pieces for 50 bucks. That is expensive stuff, but it sure is nice, though. It is saving 28% today. And they even have some decent deals on some lanai furniture and a pergola. So if you're in the market for anything like that, be sure to check out these deals, especially saving 36% on this two chairs for only $283. It seems like a pretty good deal on it. All right, so first up, it's going to be on the Metabo HPT. It's an 18 volt, 4000 lumen LED battery operated rechargeable stand work light for 229 bucks, normally priced at 300. That's saving 23% on that one. And they do have some deals on the Craftsman bit sets, as well as a hole saw set for cutting into the doors and blades. So you can click here on the shop all and see what all it brings up, which is the same amount that they had on the other page. So you don't have to even bother pressing that shop all button. This is what they have. So you're saving $7 on this 40-piece screwdriver bit set. These are not going to be impact rated, but it does have some drill bits in this kit. It's going to be for drills only. Does not have hex shank to them. Then they have the bimetal Arbor adjustable door lock kit set. It's a 6-piece set. It appears that it does not have great reviews. It's 3 stars. It is priced at $19.48, saving $10.50. So maybe be sure to check out the reviews on that one. I do have a Ryobi version of this, and the Ryobi one is actually pretty good. Next up is another Craftsman screwdriver bit set, 45-piece set for basically $10, saving 6. Again, they're not going to be impact rated. Then they have a 7¼ inch 24 tooth carbide circular saw blade for $6.48, saving $2.50 on that one. So that's the Craftsman ones for today. And they have a deal on the Metabo HPT. It's a 5-inch 11 amp trigger switch angle grinder for $109. Normally priced at $169. That's saving 35%. It is going to be a corded tool. And they also have a deal on the DeWalt 12-inch 15 amp single bevel compound miter saw for $269. It's normally priced at $369. It is saving 27%. Then they do have some anchor deals, like the portable solar generator for $999, normally priced at $1,300. That one does include a solar panel. Again, take a look at the reviews. It's only 3-star rated, but normally Anchor makes a pretty good product, especially on the solar generators. It looks like they might also have some deals on their solar panel by itself. And they have a pretty decent deal on the Malco aluminum snips for $34.60, normally priced at $50. It's saving 30%. And they have some water filtration deals today as well. So be sure to check those out if you are in the market for something like that. That's basically going to be it for the Lowe's deals for today. Now let's go on over to Home Depot. So they have some pretty good ones here today. So they brought back the deal on the M12, the rocket light with the pack out light for $194, saving $145. That's 43% off. Again, it's a good deal. I think they had a little bit cheaper the other day, but without a doubt, it's still a great price there. And here's a pretty good deal on the M12 blower with a 2 amp hour battery for $99.90, saving $78. That's 44% off. That is a pretty good deal on it because the blower by itself is around the $129 mark. So excellent deal there to get it even cheaper and to include a battery as well. Next up is going to be on the brushless 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch extended reach ratchet with the sockets as well as a blower. It looks like a high output battery for the $359. It's saving $150. That's 29% off. Then they have the Milwaukee M12 of the 1/4 inch straight die grinder with the soldering iron, 2 batteries, charger, and a bag for the $279, saving $180. 39% off. That is a decent deal on that one. Now we'll get into some DeWalt options. So this next one I would actually recommend you pass on because it's only one 5 amp hour battery, the 4 amp charger, and a USB charger for the $183. I think you'd do better with other options out there, especially on this next one. On the Tough System 2.0 Flex Volt, it's a 20 volt and 60 volt cordless 4000 lumen LED adjustable folding work lights there. It does include a 5 amp hour battery and 2 amp hour battery charger for the $208. So this is a prime example right here. better deal for the $208 to get this, especially if you're in the Tough System 2.0 case system. Much better deal there to get the extra battery and this for only $208 versus this one battery by itself for $183. And here's a pretty good deal on the DeWalt. It's the Atomic series of the 20-volt cordless half-inch ratchet kit with the 1.7 amp hour power stack battery for only $189. That is saving $140 on it. That's 43% off. It's an excellent deal on it. And the next deal is going to be on the 15 amp 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw for the 420, saving $209 at 33% off. We saw a little bit better deal. I think earlier this week it was $399. And they brought back a deal from the Ryobi for the 3/8 drill driver kit with a battery and some bits and the charger for $40. They say it's saving $99, which I still don't believe that's the regular price of $138. That would certainly be overpriced for that drill. But for $40, it is a decent deal to have both a battery and a drill. Next up is the deal on the 2 clamp speakers. They're the Bluetooth ones for $65.91, saving $53, 45% off. That is a good deal on it. I think we've seen other deals on it where they were more expensive than it is today. Next deal is going to be on the Ryobi 18-volt 6-tool combo kit. This one actually has 3 batteries, the charger, the bag for the 263, saving $171. That's 40% off. That is a good deal. They are going to be brush tools, but without a doubt, they're still good tools. Next up is the Ryobi 3-tool combo kit. They have the circular saw, drill driver, and the fan, which is going to be the hybrid fan where you can plug an extension cord into it for the $121, saving $117. That's 49% off. That is a good deal on it. Now we'll get into some Ridgid options. So they have the inflator with the fan. It's also a hybrid fan for the $119, saving $69. 37% off. That's an excellent deal on that one. And they have a pretty decent deal on the 2 batteries from Ridgid. It's a 4 amp hour and 2 amp hour battery for $72 with the charger. It is saving $77. That's 52% off. Next deal is going to be another good deal from Ridgid. The 18-volt half-inch impact wrench with the protective boot for $104, saving $106, 51% off. And then they have the 18-volt Ridgid half-inch ratchet kit with a 2 amp hour battery charger in that case for $136, saving $113, 45% off. And now we'll get into some Milwaukee options. And this first one, I'll say go ahead and pass on it because it's overpriced at $374 for a 4-pack of 5 amp hour batteries. I'd much rather see you go for this other kit over here with the drill and impact driver with the 3 batteries. And actually, this one actually includes a forge battery. So I'll get to that one. And the next deal is going to be on the one-handed recip saw with a 5 amp hour battery for $259. It is saving $100. That's 28% off. We have seen this deal a little bit cheaper than this, so it might be a pass here today. Then they have the M18 of the compact drill and impact driver combo kit with 3 batteries for the $299, saving $100. That's 25% off. So it looks like they have 2 amp hour batteries and 1 5 amp hour battery for that price. And this is a good deal here today on the half-inch hammer drill and impact driver with 2 5 amp hour batteries and 1 forge battery for that $381. It's saving $215. That's 36% off. And the forge battery that it comes with is a 6 amp hour forge, which that battery price by itself is like around $229 or $220. So it's an excellent deal. This is actually the first time I've seen them include a forge battery in this kit. So that might be a decent pickup here today. Now we'll get into some more Ryobi options. They have the Shop Vac, which is a 1-gallon one with the 5-inch random orbit sander with 1 battery and a charger for the $159, saving $99. That's 38% off. And then they also have from Ryobi the 2-tool combo kit with a drill driver and oscillating multi-tool with 2 batteries, charger, and the bag. And these are going to be brushless tools for the $169, saving $99. That's 37% off. That is a good deal on that kit. And also from Ryobi, they have the 18-volt inflator with a flashlight for only $55, saving 45% off. That is a good deal. Next Ryobi option is going to be on the 18-volt 7.25-inch circular saw with the Edge battery, which is a 4 amp hour one, and the charger for the $169, saving $30. That's only 15% off. And here's a pretty good deal from Milwaukee. It's on the orbital recip saw with the random orbit sander. These are both going to be tool only. No batteries are included. It is at a great price at $239, saving $209, 47% off. I think the orbital sawzall is priced around that. Might even be more. So it is a good deal. And the next deal is going to be on the 2-tool combo kit again on the half-inch hammer drill and impact driver with the 3 5 amp hour batteries for the $371, saving $187, 34% off. you would be better off going with the one that I showed up here with the Forge battery for only a few bucks more. Absolutely a great deal on that one. And they brought back a deal on the M18 on the two 6 amp hour high output batteries and the two 5 amp hour batteries with that rapid charger for the 539, saving 360 bucks, 40% off. And then they brought back a deal on the one 6 amp hour high output battery with the charger for 139, saving 60, 30% off. And here is a decent deal on the Milwaukee blower with two 6 amp hour high output batteries, the charger for the 285, saving 243, 46% off. The deal at the store, I think it's ending soon if it's not already ended. It's $299 for that kit and getting a free tool option. And I'm just going to skip over the other outdoor power equipment with the exception of another item. Well, and this one is a good deal from Ryobi too, this power washer. It's the 1800 series, the 1800 PSI, 1.2 gallon per minute electric power washer. And they had that with a foam cannon for only 99 bucks. Saving almost 45, that's 31% off. Ryobi does make good electric power washers. I used to have the previous version of this one, and it did pretty good. Next one I wanted to cover is this Milwaukee 14-inch top handle chainsaw. It's priced at $299. It's saving 70 bucks. It is only 19% off, but they do have an extra blade with that. And anytime they have a deal on this chainsaw is actually pretty rare. So might be a good pick up there for only 300 bucks. And they do have some deals on DeWalt 60 volt tools, saving 22%, 19% on the pole saw, and 22% on the chainsaw. And they have some other generator options too. You can certainly check out from the Pulsar brand. And they did bring back a deal on the 1/4-inch drive Milwaukee 50-piece socket set with the ratchet and couple extensions and the universal joint for 90 bucks, saving 50, 36% off. And they did bring back the deal on the Milwaukee combination screwdriver set, the 10-piece set for 30 bucks. And again, I mentioned it the other day, I did pick up this set for only 20 bucks. I think during the last holiday time when they had that at Ace. And they have from Vevor the manual wire stripping machine for 70 bucks, saving 29. This is actually the first time I'm seeing Vevor products on the daily deals. And next up, they have the Milwaukee 3/8 drive of the metric, and they have the SA version 2 right over here. And they're both going to be priced at 95 bucks, just like they were the other day, saving 45. That's 32% off. Then they have the 1/2-inch drive of the Milwaukee SAE and metric ratchet and socket set. It's a 47-piece set for 180, saving 110, 38% off. And then they brought back the deal on both the SAE and the metric of the ratcheting combination wrench set for the 170, saving 40. It's only 19% off. And there's the metric there. And they brought back the deals again on the Milwaukee torque locking pliers kit, 10 pieces for 130. And the same deal on the 4-piece set of the Milwaukee adjustable wrenches as well as the straight jaw pliers for 40 bucks, so 10 bucks each. It's not a bad price. And the 13-inch straight long needle nose pliers for 30 bucks. Same deal that we've seen in the past. Also, they brought back the deal on the Milwaukee 10-inch hacksaw with a rubber handle and 10-inch hacksaw for $30, saving 10, that's 25% off. And then they had the lineman's hammer again for 55, saving 25% on that one. So these are all the deals that we've seen previously on especially on the DeWalt 3-plane laser. It's a 130-foot one for $449, saving 231% off. And again, the deal on the 3-pack of the Blaze 100-foot laser measurers, 3-pack of them for the $99.99, saving $49. That's 33% off. Another Bosch laser. It's going to be on the 50-foot one, red beam. It's a cross-line one for the $132, saving $28, 18% off. And I would recommend passing on the next one on the Bulldozer kit for $320. That's pretty crazy. They do say it's saving 41%, but I don't know why you would need 2 sets of them. The same sets actually, unless you're running crews that you need multiple sets. Same thing goes for the 117 price for this 34-piece set. But this is decent savings here on the Big Hog with the pack out. It's a 9-piece set for the 139, saving 100 bucks. That's 42% off. And they brought back a deal again on the Milwaukee 1/2-inch drive of the metric 6-point impact socket set. 29-piece set for the 159, saving 86. It's 35% off. And the next deal is going to be another Ridgid inflator deal. This time they had that with the 4 amp hour battery for the 99 bucks, saving 109, 52% off. It is a good deal on that one, especially since I think they have the inflator priced around that price by itself as a tool only. Next deal is going to be on the Ryobi 18-volt 6-port fast charger with 2 batteries that are the 2.0 batteries for the 149, saving 99. It is a sequential charger. It's not a simultaneous charger, so it charges 1 battery at a time. And they brought back a deal on the DeWalt 20-volt 5 amp hour battery and 2 amp hour battery with the 4 amp charger for only 100 bucks, saving 99. That's 50% off. That is a good deal on that battery pack. And that is the same kit that we had seen during the last holiday time where it was $200. You're getting a free tool. So $100 for this kit is a good deal. I think we've seen even lower than this. Actually, it's still a great price at $100. And they have another VEVOR option on the automatic wire stripping machine. So if you have a lot of copper wires to strip, this machine actually works pretty good. I've seen some online videos on it, even despite the 3-star rating here. People have been pretty impressed with it. It is $291, saving 124, 30% off. And they even have a VEVOR fish tape, 125 foot one for the $37.49, saving only $8. And they have the Milwaukee fish tape, the flexible one with a conduit bender for the 169, saving 30. 15% off. And they have the steel fish tape with a rasping jab saw for $85, saving 15, also 15% off. And that is going to be it for the daily deals for today only, Saturday, July 18th, 2026. Again, I will have links down in the description below as well as a pinned comment. I really do appreciate you using the links. It does help. And if you get any value from this video, I really do appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this. And I'll see you in the next one. Crasher out.